guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to disable the lock screen on your Windows 11. So as you can see guys, the lock screen is now enabled in my Windows 11. So now I am going to disable this lock screen. To disable this guys, just follow this method. So press Windows key button and here you need to type edit group policy. Okay, after this guys, just open that edit group policy and here guys, just you need to extend computer configuration. Okay, after this guys, just you need to extend administrative templates. Okay, and just you need to extend control panel, and in the control panel just select personalization, and in the right panel guys, you can get one option, do not display the lock screen. Just double click and open that. After this guys, just you need to select enable option from here. After this guys, just click on apply and click on OK. After this setting was completed, now your lock screen was disabled on your Windows 11. So with this help of method guys, you can easily able to disable the lock screen on your Windows 11 PC and in your Windows 11 laptops. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.